JB Weld KwikWood is a terrific epoxy product for fixing a number of wooden items. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use it to repair old furniture. I have this wonderful old wooden bench, and I've glued what I can glue with regular wood glue, but the bench has gaps in it, and JB Weld, this epoxy product, and you can see the two-part epoxy in that roll, is terrific for filling gaps where you can't clamp the wood close enough together for wood glue to work. So I'm going to cut off about 3/8 of an inch of the product here and peel off the outer protective layer. And you can see the light brown and the dark brown. That's the two different parts of the epoxy. And you just have to mix it with your fingers, as I'm doing here. Be sure to wear gloves because it will get into your skin, and you can even see it starting to coat the gloves a little bit as I work with it. It takes about a minute of working with it to get it so that you can't see the difference between the light color and the dark color, and that's when you know that you've mixed it up enough. And it needs just a little bit more. After mixing up the JB Weld KwikWood product, you just use it like modeling clay. Break off a bit of it and roll it into a little worm shape, and then just fit it into your gap. Press it and rub it and push it in with your fingernails, rub over the top of it, anything that you can do to completely fill that gap. You can see that it's not really that sticky. It sticks to my gloves, but to the wooden surface, it tends to just kind of roll or rub off of the top. Work it in all the way around the gap, wherever you can get to it. The bond will be the strongest if you can fill the entire area. I have a piece of paper towel that is soaked with isopropyl alcohol. Use this to wipe the excess material off of your gloves or tools. Once you've worked the JB Weld completely into your gap, you can also use this paper towel to wipe the surface and to get a smoother appearance over the entire area. Since my furniture has rounded edges, a tool with a rounded shaft like a small screwdriver or an awl can be used to flatten and smooth the area and to remove any excess epoxy. I'm also just scraping the surface with my fingernail to clean up the last little bits of unwanted material. Here is a close-up of my gap repair. Wait at least 1 hour before sanding or painting the area.